Hello everyone, welcome once again in the K nearest neighbor algorithm. So in this video we are going to discuss how to solve the numerical problem of K nearest neighbor. So for solving the numerical problem, just have a look at this. This is a data set of a special certain tissue papers factory which is checking out the quality of a tissue paper, whether the quality of tissue paper is good or not based on the two attributes, where one attribute is the acid durability, another one is the strength of the paper. So in this in x1 we are given the values of durability in seconds, and in x2 we are given the strength of the paper. And based on that, this is the classification which gives if the acid durability is 7 and strength is 7, the our quality is bad. If acid is 7, strength is 4, quality is again bad. If it is 3, 4, quality is good in this case. If acid durability is 1 and strength is 4, it is of good quality. So now the factory produces a paper. Based on that, it has to pass certain issues. So now in this case, how it is working? Now the question in this case is, we have to check if the value of my question problem x1 is 3 and for y it is 7, then its quality will be bad or good. That we have to check. That is my question. Now based on these data items, we have to check if the if for future, in the future case, if the quality is acid durability is 3 and strength is 7, to which class it belongs to. So if we want to do this prediction or classification in this case, we have to solve the numerical of Euclidean sorry Euclidean distance problem, which is in this case x minus, just a minute, sorry, which will be x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square. We will calculate these values for all the cases. Now assuming when we calculate for this, it will be 3 minus 7 square. So this is the given value in my question. My question is for x is equal to 3 and for y equal to 7 we will calculate. So for this row it is 3 minus 7 the square plus 7 minus 7 square. So we will calculate, and for this what will we do? We will use 3, that is the in the question, given in the question, 3 minus 7 square plus 4 minus 7 square for this 4. Similarly for this row it will be 3 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 7 square. In this case it will be 1 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 7 square. So we will calculate all these values, that is the Euclidean distance, and in the next step we will arrange these. So let's see how these values are calculated. So when we calculate these values, like 3 minus 7 square plus 7 minus 7 square, we get 16. 3 minus 7 square, 7 minus 4 square, where this is my question given in this case, and similarly 9 is calculated and 13 is calculated as we have discussed. So now it is given that choose k as 3. Fine, this is k, choose k as 3. Now when we solve this problem, we have got this distance. What is the next task? Next task is to arrange them. Means this will go at the first number, this will go at the second number, this will go at third number, and this will go at the fourth number. Fine. So this is my order. Now based on this ascending order, what was the next step? Next step is, after arranging, we have to pick number of rows equal to the given value of k. So in this case we have to go pick the 3 rows in the ascending order. So which values to be picked up? This one, this row will be chosen. Next is number 2 row will be chosen. This row will be chosen, and similarly the next value, that is 7, will be chosen. So we have picked these 3 rows because the value of k was given to be 3. Now from these 3 we will pick the classes. That was it. So it was good, we have picked last two and the first one. So we have picked good, good and bad. This is discarded because it was having the highest Euclidean distance and we have to pick only the three rows. Now in this case, from these three, the picked one, good, count of good is 2, count of bad is 1 for picked one. So what is the highest count? Good. Now what will the answer? The question class that we was given, it belongs to good. Now my answer will say this paper which was there in the question, that is x is equal to 3, where acid durability was 3 and strength was 7, the paper will be classified into a good class category. So this is how this nearest algorithm is working. So this was the order we have got, and based on that, this is the majority case. We will pick those values first, second and third. We will go with that it is of good quality. So this is how we have solved this problem. This was the row that is to be ignored because having the highest Euclidean distance. So based on that, good, good, bad, majority is of good, and we will declare the answer that the values given in the question will belongs to good category. Why so? Because the count of good is 2 and the count of bad is 1 and the count of good is greater than this bad. So my answer is good in this case, and my data item will be classified into the good class. Now similarly, let's have a quick look at this problem. In this, what is given? Score is given for mathematics 4, CS is 3, math 6 and 7, 7, 8, 8, 5, 8, 8. Fine. So now query. What is the query? Query says there is a person or there is a student whose score in mathematics is 6 and CS is 8, whether that student will pass or fail. So how this nearest neighbor will work? So based on this 6 and this 8, it will work for this. It will calculate the Euclidean distance for the first problem, where it will be in this case it will be 6 minus 4 square plus 8 minus 3 square. Here 6 minus 4 square, 8 minus 3 square, which will come to be taken with the square root or directly, it will come around 5.38. Similarly, for the second row we will calculate. Similarly, for this third record, we will get 6 minus 7 square, 8 minus 1 square. For fifth one, that is 6 minus 5 square and 8 minus 5 square, we will get this one. And for this, we have calculated all the Euclidean distance. Now what is the next task to be done? Write down the Euclidean distance for all the cases over here. Here it was 5.38, it was 1, it was 1, 3.16 and 2. Now what is the value for k in this case? The value for k is equal to 3. What does it decide? It decide that pick top 3 rows in ascending order. Now when we arrange them in ascending order, we will pick this one, we will pick this one and the next two. Now in this case, what is the, from these two, the count of pass is 1, 2, 3 and the count of fail is 0 from these chosen classes. So it means pass is greater than fail because 3 is greater than 0. So it will say that the query, this student having mathematics 6 marks and the CS 8 marks will pass. So the answer is declared to be pass in this case. So this is how my k nearest neighbor algorithm works. So this is for k nearest neighbor with 5 neighbors. This is the working of that, how it is working with 5 neighbors. So that's all about k nearest neighbor. So if anybody having any doubt, you can write in the chat box. And I again repeat all of you to subscribe my channel and do like the video. If you can also share if you have got some meaningful information from this. So thanks for watching the video.